Are your eyes feeling dry, irritated, or just plain uncomfortable? Whether it's from staring at screens for hours, battling dry, windy weather, or simply everyday eye strain, Systane Ultra Eye Drops might be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Systane Ultra Eye Drops. How they work, what makes them so effective, their uses, side effects, proper usage, and essential precautions. But here's the kicker. I'll also share some pro tips on how to maximize their effectiveness. So if you're ready for clear, comfortable eyes, stick with me till the end. And hey, feel free to drop a comment about your dry eye experiences below. Let's make this video a conversation. Systane Ultra Eye Drops are advanced, lubricating eye drops specially formulated to provide fast and long-lasting relief from dry, irritated eyes. Made by Alcon, a leading name in eye care, these drops are designed to restore moisture to your eyes and provide a soothing, protective layer. They're perfect for anyone dealing with eye discomfort caused by factors like prolonged screen time, dry or windy environments, eye strain, or even medical conditions like mild to moderate dry eye syndrome. And the best part? They work almost instantly. But what exactly makes them work so well? Let's find out. Systane Ultra Eye Drops work like magic by creating a protective, lubricating shield over the eye's surface. Think of it as a comforting, moisturizing barrier that mimics natural tears, reducing friction, irritation, and dryness. What makes them stand out is their unique formula, which ensures long-lasting hydration and relief. Whether you're glued to your computer screen or out in windy weather, these drops keep your eyes refreshed and protected. Now let's talk about when and how to use them for the best results. Systane Ultra Eye Drops are incredibly versatile. They're commonly used for relieving dryness and irritation from excessive screen time. Yep, gamers and workaholics, I'm looking at you. Soothing eyes exposed to harsh environments like air conditioning, wind, or smoke, providing instant relief from mild to moderate dry eye symptoms, whether it's from allergies, eye strain, or just feeling tired. But here's a pro tip. If you're using them for screen-related dryness, try applying a drop before you start your work or gaming session. Prevention is always better than cure, right? Using Systane Ultra Eye Drops is super easy. Just follow these steps. First, wash your hands thoroughly, then shake the bottle well before use. Next, tilt your head back and gently pull down your lower eyelid. Apply 1 or 2 drops into the eye. Blink several times to spread the drops evenly. And here's another pro tip. Avoid touching the dropper tip to any surface, including your eye, to prevent contamination. Plus, you can use them as often as needed throughout the day. Now what about potential side effects? Let's talk about that next. The good news is, most people experience 0 side effects from Systane Ultra Eye Drops. But occasionally, some might notice temporary blurred vision, mild stinging or irritation, or unusual eye redness. Now these are rare, but if they do happen, simply stop using the drops and consult your eye doctor. Here are some important precautions. Remove contact lenses before applying the drops. If the solution changes color or becomes cloudy, don't use it. And always check the expiration date before use. Are you curious if these drops are the right choice for you? Let's find out. Systane Ultra Eye Drops are safe for most adults and children above the age of 12. They're perfect for anyone experiencing mild to moderate dry eye symptoms, regardless of the cause. But if you have severe dry eyes or use other eye medications, it's best to check with your eye care provider before trying them. So, is Systane Ultra Eye Drops the right solution for you? Let's hear your thoughts. Have you tried them before? Did they work for you? Comment below with your experience or any questions you have. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eye care tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and may your eyes stay refreshed and happy.